Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Wala YouTuber. So guys, I hope you are doing great and learning English language good way. So guys, today I am going to share one another topic which is really very interesting and very important. So guys, stay tuned this video till the end. So first of all, let me tell you, I am shooting this video only for improving, so that is why there might be some mistake. If I make any mistake, please avoid that kind of mistake. दोस्तों, यह वीडियो मैं सिर्फ इम्प्रूव करने के लिए बना रहा हूं और जो भी बिगिनर हैं वो इस वीडियो से कुछ सीख सकते हैं। हो सकता है इसमें कुछ गलतियां भी हो, यदि कोई गलती होती है तो प्लीज़ उसे इग्नोर कर दीजिएगा। So guys, without wasting our precious time, let's directly jump into that topic, which one is I am going to share. Yeah, you heard it right. My topic is farmer and their technology. So guys, firstly we should know who is farmer and what is the technology, and then we can understand very easy way. So guys, farmer means farmer, they do hard work and then they do farming. So if I talk about farmer is really backbone our country. So if they don't do any farming, so I think it's not possible to survive our life and we can't consume anything. So that is why we should respect our farmer and their work. So if I talk about earlier time, I mean 10 or 20 years ago, I think farmer, they were doing hard work. Actually when it comes to farming, so that time they hire a lot of labor, then after they just doing their farming. Actually it was not possible to do alone, so that is why they were hiring some of labor, and that time they were doing their farming good way. And nowadays I think it is not possible to do farming work alone, and who has a lot of farm, that farmer, they are using many kind of technology like that tractor, thresher, engine, borewell and other kind of technology are there, they are using. So that is why they are growing a lot of crop. And when it comes to new technology, so that time if they are using that kind of technology, so they are growing a lot of vegetable and grain. Otherwise I think if we compare to previous day, it was not easy to grow a lot of crop and vegetable because of lack of technology, and people, they were not doing that much hard work, and some extent I think it was not possible. And nowadays because of technology, people, they are growing a lot of crop and vegetable, and also they are selling and they are exporting other state if they grow a lot of crop and vegetable. So I think nowadays it's easy because of technology. And one more thing, earlier time like that canal, borewell and machinery and engine, it was not very much, but nowadays this kind of technology are available everywhere. So that is why people, they are growing a lot of vegetable and crop and grain. So I think it's easy, just only if they are focusing their farming work, so they can grow a lot of grain and vegetable. Otherwise I think it's not piece of cake. So really farming work is really very hard. if they do hard work, so that time they grow a lot of crop and vegetable, otherwise it's not possible. Actually, you know guys, I am also belonging from farmer family, so that is why I have idea. Actually my father is a farmer, so when they do farming, so that time I know little bit how they do hard work and how they do farming. So really farming work is really very hard, and without doing hard work it is not possible to earn, it is not possible to grow good kind of grain and vegetable. So really guys, farmer is a very hard working person and they are growing a lot of grain and vegetable, and we should respect to them. If they don't do that much hard work, so how can we possible survive our life, and how can people they consume that kind of grain and vegetable? But nowadays what happen, people they are not respecting that kind of farmer who is really doing hard work and they are growing many kind of grain, and if they stop that kind of farming, so it is not possible to survive our life. So really farmer is a backbone of our country, and we are depending on that farmer who is really they do hard work throughout the day, and then after they grow some kind of vegetable and grains, and people they consuming very enjoying way. When farmer they grow a lot of crop, and then government just collecting all that kind of grain and they just exporting other country. So this is very easy. So in my opinion guys, farmer and their technology really it's very important, and then after we can survive our life, and whatever we want to do we can do. मेरा कहने का मतलब है दोस्तों, बगैर कुछ खाए हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. Our all Indian people and other country people, they are depending on only grain and vegetable. If they are not consuming that kind of grain and vegetable, so how can be possible to live in this world? It is not possible. So that is why farmer and their technology really it's a very appreciable thing, and they are growing this kind of crop. And one more thing guys, if they do hard work, so definitely they grow more kind of grain, and then after they can earn some of money while selling and while exporting. So this is what I wanted to share in this video. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.